Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese kottu mee updated. Begin by prepping noodles and shredding cheese, then heat oil and sauté onions, garlic, chilies, and curry leaves until fragrant. Toss in prepped vegetables or proteins, add noodles, and break them while stirring to create the signature texture. Stir in spices and a splash of soy or oyster sauce, fold in cheese, and serve hot with a squeeze of lime. For the best cheese kottu mee, gather fresh or parboiled medium-thin noodles, a melting cheese blend, aromatics like onion and garlic, chilies, curry leaves, and your choice of protein. Use soy or oyster sauce for umami and add a little sugar to balance acidity. Keep spices measured so flavors remain layered, not overwhelmed, and prepare ingredients mise en place so the fast stir-fry flows without overcooking anything. Heat a large flat pan or griddle until very hot, add oil, and quickly fry aromatics and proteins for color. Add noodles and use a spatula to chop and toss them against the pan to recreate the kottu texture while maintaining bite. Adjust seasoning with sauces and a dash of sugar, then remove from heat and fold in shredded cheese so it melts into creamy pockets without becoming oily, serving immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.